What are you doing?
Covering my ears
Why?
because it's loud thunder.
Because it's
Gotta
loud
be
thunder?
loud.
Oh, did you get scared? Do you like lightning and thunder?
The thunder is too loud and I like, but I'm scared of lightning.
The thunder's too loud, but you like lightning? What about rain? Do you like rain? Or do you
Yeah.
like snow?
I like snow. I like rain and snow.
Oh, okay.
Snow doesn't have thunder.
Mm.
We just play and smell.
Snow is cold, huh?
And we can build snowmen.
Jiminy Christmas, that's loud. Did we hide under the table the other day?
Yes.
Yeah?
For thunder.
From the thunder?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ah.
I'm sorry you don't like thunder. There, it's gone. Whew, that was a close one, huh?
Yeah, that is a close one.
Man, it's all around us. To our left, to our right.
The build up like that.
Okay.
Build up over here and over here. Oh, we just pretending, but we